on, guys? This is Nick Southgate up here at Maple Motors. I'm getting ready to sell my Corvette. I'm gonna price it $12,900. It's a 2000 model with just under 60,000 miles, 6-speed, 5.7 LS1. Right now, I'm getting ready to take y'all on a test drive. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys. We're ready to take off here. It's just got 59,124 miles on it. Score runs and drives straight. I'm about to show you. All the gauges work. Clutch feels good. Cold AC. It's a stock car. Cold air intake, I think, is the only thing added to it. Goes straight down the road. Of course, I'm on a back road right now. It's very curvy. There's no slack in the steering on this one. Every gear is there. Brake, e-brake works. This, I guess the only thing that I noticed is the air control thing. It goes dim sometimes. Like, you can see it right now, saying it's 92 outside. But at the end of the day, it'll be bright and everything's good. The first thing every morning, I guess if it's cold, it won't pop up right. Once it warms up, it cuts back on, gets bright. Just going in and out. I mean, it still works, everything works, it's just the display. Another thing that happened to me when it got hot this summer, the headliner fell out of this. So I got to take this glue off, get some new glue and put the headliner back in. But it's fairly easy, it's just a little piece. I almost thought about just cleaning the glue off and leaving it bare like that, because it looks pretty good. Don't necessarily have to have cloth up there. Half the time I got that top out anyways. Radio works good. It's got a Bose surround sound system. Got all your fuel economy, it's average 13. Tells you how far you got to go. Oil pressure's holding good. It's right at 50. Temp pretty much sits right under 200. I've seen it as high as 200, 210. That's common in the Corvettes. As soon as I turn, it turns. Brakes feel good. If the car needed anything, I'd already done it, so. Car's got plenty of power. It's fun to drive. You can actually save gas on it by shifting from first to fourth. At least that's what it always tells me on the dash. Well, there's not a whole lot that's wrong with this car. There's a few cosmetic things. I noticed, I forgot, we were riding to dinner the other night, and my girl pulled down this and it popped out of the visor, so I'm gonna have to fix that. The little mirror popped out of the visor. I don't know what's the reason, it probably just came loose somehow. Easy fix, a lot of little easy stuff. Like this, got a little rip in it. I thought about looking up just a replacement door put on here. I don't know, the longer I keep it, the more I'll fix. But hopefully it gives you an idea. It is a good running and drive a car with low miles. If you want any more information on it, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to talk with you and help you out. This is one of my personal cars, so you can give us a call up there. It'll be on the website very soon, this next week, and I'll try to get those 100 detailed pictures on there as well. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. So we got all of our vehicles in inventory on that site as well. It's an awesome car to cruise around. Power when you need it. It's just a fun toy. I hope to hear from you. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.